Okay, what's your new cue going to cost you? Well, let me just cut to the chase and tell you that it's really difficult to get a good playing pool cue for less than $100. Now, I know that might sound like a lot for those beginners who think of a cue as maybe being nothing more than a hunk of wood, but let me tell you that when you look at the way cues are constructed, like we've got these components right here that have different inlays in there for decoration designs, like in the forearm of the butt section there. You start out with billets like this that have to be grooved, milled on a machine, with inserts laid in there so that they can be turned around, and then cored and sliced so that they end up making decorative little rings like that. And then you start putting things like that throughout the whole cue. You can easily see that with time and labor and the craftsmanship that goes into building a nice piece of artwork like that, it can easily run into thousands of dollars. So therefore your $100 really isn't that much. If you look over here though, if you stick with the production cues, you really don't have to get into that much money. We have 3 different cues over here that range in price from $100. This one here would be about $150, and this one would run about $200. Easily affordable for most people.